Hello there. This is Owen Roving Reporter. I was caught in the scene of the snow, and all the way up to about here is how the snow is, and that is in West Grove, Pennsylvania, in Pittsburgh.
Where else?
And the rest of the planet, except for Arctic and Antarctic. Wait, North Pole, Antarctic is where the snow is actually going the furthest. And about something about the snow, there is a chance of blizzard. That's all for today. Until next time, this is Owen Roving Reporter. Till next time, this will happen.